So, a quick little mini lesson here, guys, from Marsh of how to write a graph, an equation from a graph that you actually have. So, first thing I notice, this is a square root graph. So, what I'm first going to have to do is write out my square root. Now, notice, guys, this is where it starts, and that was always inside the equation that you used. So I'm going to have y equals, we don't know the stretch or compression this one is, but I do know it is a square root, and we moved left 6 up 1. So inside it would be x plus 6 to get to that dot, and then plus 1 on the outside because I went up 1 to get to that dot. Normally that was the dot that was at 0, 0, right? Now, to figure out this a value, what I'm going to do is use this convenient point that's on my graph and plug it in for my x and my y. So I got 5 equals a square root of negative 2 plus 6 plus 1. So I got 5 equals, well, negative 2 plus 6, that's 4. Square root of 4 is 2, so that's 2a plus 1. So if I solve that, I'll get 4 equals 2a, or a equals 2. So what I'll do is on my graph, on my equation here, instead of keeping a there, I'm going to erase it and put the big 2 there for my graph. Same thing with cube roots. So I'm going to first write out my equation. I need to think, what dot normally would have been at 0, 0 if we would have moved. So it looks like it'd be this guy right here. See, it's how it's kind of changes direction, I guess, if you want to say, changes concavity. This one looks like it's going up. This side looks like it's going down. So my 0, 0 point became 1, 2. So I don't know the a, but I do know it is x minus 1 plus 2 to get to that dot. Now I need to find another equation here on another dot on this graph. Looks like right here, right? 2, 4 looks like a good dot. So I'm going to plug that in. 4 equals a cube root of 2 minus 1 plus 2. So 4 equals cube root of, well, 1 is 1, so that'd be a plus 2 there, because it'd be 1a. So I know a would be 2. So if I erase here, my dot, I'll get a value of 2 right there. So being aware, guys, of how to write these, my final answer would be this guy right here. Just kind of working backwards, it helps you understand them just a little bit more as well. There's a couple on your worksheet that look similar to this, so that's why I wanted you to do this really quick little mini tutorial on how to do it. But that's the end of this short little lesson. See you later, Sabers.